My Gilio Okavango isn't just a new ride for me. It's the fruit of my hard work. 5 years in the making. It's about patience, progress, and finally arriving. Because some things are really worth waiting for. Kakaiba pala pag ikaw na yung nasa harap ng camera. Hi, I'm Raymar Globio, a freelance videographer and a proud Geely owner. Back in 2021, nung nakita ko yung Geely Okavango sa Pilipinas, love at first sight talaga ako sa kanya. Yung design, the features, and yung space, talagang top-notch. And I promised myself that one day, magkakaroon din ako nito. Fast forward to 2025, I sold my MPV after paying it off just to fulfill the promise I made 5 years ago to get the Geely Okavango. My car is basically my mobile studio. Medyo malaki talaga yung diferensya from my previous car. Yung mga dating naiiwan kong gamit kasi hindi siya kasya din sa sakyan ko. Kasya na siya ngayon dito sa Geely Okavango. As a freelancer, yung kotse ko, hindi lang siya yung parang transportation ko eh. Para na siyang parte ng buhay ko. It gets me from idea to execution. From one project to the next. It's where I think, reset, and sometimes even create. When your schedule is always moving, your car has to move with you. My Geely Okavango gives me the freedom to chase stories without worrying about the journey. From early call times to the late night wrap-ups, it keeps up with my pace. It's reliable, intuitive, and comfortable. So I can focus on my work, not the drive. As a creative, I look for balance, performance and comfort, technology and simplicity. I want a space that supports long hours and spontaneous ideas. Inspiration doesn't wait, and neither do I. My Geely Okavango gives me ready, whether it's a sudden shoot, quick meeting, or a quiet drive to clear my head. When inspiration strikes, I just get go.